Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why some people can effortlessly make someone miss them, while others seem to be forgotten the moment they walk out the door? If you've ever felt the sting of being taken for granted or the frustration of being ignored by someone you care about, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the secrets of attraction and human psychology to reveal how you can make any woman miss you terribly, even if she wasn't interested in the beginning. We'll uncover the common mistakes that most men make, and more importantly, we'll share powerful strategies that will make you unforgettable. Imagine this. You become the person she's thinking about late at night, the one she can't wait to hear from, and the one whose absence she feels deeply. Doesn't that sound amazing? But this isn't about playing games or manipulating feelings. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and creating a natural magnetic pull that draws people towards you. We'll talk about the art of not chasing, the power of disappearing, and why making her compete for your attention can be a game changer. We'll explore how focusing on your own life, being unpredictable, and leaving her wanting more can transform the way she sees you. By the end of this video, you'll have a new understanding of what makes someone truly miss you, and you'll be armed with practical, actionable steps to make it happen. So, if you're ready to flip the script and become the person she can't stop thinking about, stick around, because this could be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's get started. 1. The art of not chasing. When it comes to attraction, one of the biggest mistakes men make is chasing too much. Chasing can often be perceived as desperation, which can push people away. Instead, you need to master the art of not chasing. This doesn't mean you ignore her completely, but it does mean you don't make her the center of your universe. Focus on your own life, goals, and hobbies. When you're busy and fulfilled, you naturally become more attractive. This creates a sense of mystery and intrigue, making her wonder what you're up to. Women are naturally attracted to men who are confident and independent. By not chasing, you're demonstrating that you're comfortable with yourself and your life. This confidence can be incredibly appealing. Additionally, not chasing gives her the space to miss you. If you're always available, there's no opportunity for her to wonder about you. Remember, attraction often grows in absence. By stepping back and not constantly pursuing her, you're giving her the chance to reflect on her feelings and realize what she might be missing. So, next time you feel the urge to chase, take a step back. Focus on your own interests and let her come to you. 2. The power of disappearing. Disappearing for a while can be a powerful tool in making someone miss you. This doesn't mean ghosting her completely, but rather taking a step back to focus on your own life. When you suddenly become less available, it creates a void that she will notice. This absence can make her realize how much she values your presence. Use this time to work on yourself, whether it's hitting the gym, picking up a new hobby, or advancing in your career. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Not only will this make you feel better, but it will also make you more attractive when you do reappear. When you do come back, don't immediately go back to the same level of availability. Keep some of that mystery alive. This unpredictability can make her more interested and eager to spend time with you. By disappearing strategically, you create a sense of loss that can deepen her feelings for you. It's important to strike a balance, though. Disappear for too long, and she might move on. But if done correctly, this technique can make her realize how much she misses you and values the time you spend together. 3. Creating a magnetic pull. Creating a magnetic pull involves becoming so irresistible that she can't help but be drawn to you. This isn't about manipulation. It's about self-improvement and authenticity. Start by working on your confidence. Confidence is incredibly attractive and can make you stand out in a crowd. Develop a sense of humor and learn to laugh at yourself. Being able to make her laugh is a surefire way to create a strong connection. Show genuine interest in her life, listen to her stories, and remember the details. This shows that you care and value her as a person. Physical appearance also plays a role. Take care of your health, dress well, and maintain good hygiene. While looks aren't everything, they can significantly enhance your overall attractiveness. Cultivate interesting hobbies and passions. Whether it's playing a musical instrument, traveling, or engaging in sports, having diverse interests makes you more intriguing. Share these passions with her and invite her to join you. This creates shared experiences that can strengthen your bond. Ultimately, creating a magnetic pull is about being the best version of yourself. When you're confident, interesting, and genuinely caring, you'll naturally attract people to you. She'll find it hard to resist someone who makes her feel good and adds value to her life. 4. The importance of being unpredictable. Predictability can quickly lead to boredom in any relationship. To keep things exciting and make her miss you, it's important to be unpredictable. This doesn't mean playing mind games, but rather keeping her on her toes with positive surprises. Change up your routine. Instead of always texting her at the same time or going to the same places, try new activities together. This unpredictability can create a sense of excitement and anticipation. Be spontaneous. Plan surprise dates or small gestures that show you're thinking of her. This could be as simple as sending her a song that reminds you of her, or planning a last-minute weekend getaway. These surprises can make her feel special and appreciated. Additionally, being unpredictable means not always being available. Sometimes, it's okay to be busy with your own life. This makes her appreciate the time you do spend together even more. Unpredictability keeps the relationship dynamic and prevents it from becoming stagnant. It creates a sense of adventure and mystery, making her eager to see what you'll do next. By keeping her guessing in a positive way, you'll keep her engaged and make her miss you when you're not around. 5. The strategy of making her compete for your attention. One effective way to make her miss you is by subtly making her compete for your attention. This isn't about making her feel insecure, but rather about showing her that you're a valuable person with a busy life. Have a strong social circle and spend time with your friends and family. When she sees that other people enjoy your company, she'll recognize your value. It also shows that you're not solely focused on her, which can make you more intriguing. Engage in activities and hobbies that you're passionate about. When you're dedicated to your interests, it shows that you have a full and interesting life. This can make her want to be a part of it. Be a little mysterious about your plans sometimes. You don't need to tell her everything you're doing. This creates a sense of curiosity and can make her more interested in what you're up to. When she realizes that she isn't the only thing in your life, she may work harder to gain your attention. This doesn't mean ignoring her or playing hard to get all the time, but rather balancing your life in a way that shows you're independent and valuable. By making her subtly compete for your attention, you're highlighting your worth and making her appreciate the time and effort you do invest in her. 6. The impact of self-improvement. Self-improvement is key to making anyone miss you. When you're constantly working on becoming a better version of yourself, you become more attractive and interesting. This continuous growth can make her see you in a new light and miss you when you're not around. Focus on both your physical and mental health. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and mindfulness practices can improve your overall well-being. This not only makes you feel better, but also enhances your confidence and attractiveness. Develop new skills and hobbies. Whether it's learning a new language, picking up a musical instrument, or advancing in your career, self-improvement shows that you're ambitious and driven. This can be very appealing and make her see you as someone who is constantly evolving. Work on your emotional intelligence. Being able to understand and manage your emotions, as well as empathize with others, can greatly enhance your relationships. This makes you a more supportive and understanding partner, which she will likely miss when you're not around. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who inspire and challenge you to be better. This positive environment can motivate you to continue growing and improving. By focusing on self-improvement, you're not only making yourself happier and healthier, but also becoming someone she will deeply miss and admire. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips help you understand how to make any woman miss you terribly. Remember, the key is to focus on becoming the best version of yourself and creating a natural magnetic pull. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on psychology, relationships, and human behavior. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay confident, stay interesting, and keep growing.